You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. The top word is pronounced as intention, a thing that is intended, aimed. Intention. The stress is on the 10 syllable. Intention. I have good intentions towards you. Intention. The bottom word is pronounced intense. So similar first and second syllable. Intense. Just an S at the end. Intense. So let's listen carefully again. Intention. Intense. Did you hear the correct pronunciations? Can you pronounce them correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.